What's happening YouTube support Tech TRX back in another video. Today we're looking at Laifen hair dryer. This is the model Swift. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you could be notified of next videos, come out tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1133.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Basically, this is from Laifen. This is also called Swift. We're gonna test it out today and see what else it could do. So here we go. It's a very nice packaging as well. As you can see here, it feels like Apple-ish boxes. Inside, this is what it would look like. The power adapter right here, connected straight to the hair dryer. There you go. Then an accessory right there. So some literature, and that's it. This is also made out of paper, so it's environmentally friendly. There you go, you can just rip it like so because it's made out of paper. Very nice. Look at this thing. Oh yeah. It also comes with this little rubber to keep your wires neat and tidy. The one accessory that comes with, it's magnetically attached on there. With the on and off slider here, there are two options, one low mode and there's the turbo mode. The button on the bottom has three options which lights up as well to tell you what it is. The blue one has a cool wind which is 20 degrees Celsius. The warm wind is 50 degrees Celsius, and then the hot wind will give you 80 degrees, which has the thermocontrol technology which protects your hair from extreme heat damage. The loudness of this hair dryer is about 59 decibels. Turbo. This is a good addition as well with the filter because it's all magnetic. You don't need to latch anything. It'll just come off by pulling it like so, and then you can clean this off if needed. This plug is also GFCI protected. It has a reset and the test button there, which is really good addition when you don't have one. Now let's go ahead and test this out. Apparently it has a 5-minute fast drying time, so that's really good. We're gonna test that out if that's really possible. My hair is completely wet. I didn't even pet it dry, towel or anything like that. So let's try this out. We're gonna use high heat and low power. And pretty impressive. My hair is already dry and ready to go at 2 minutes and 20 something seconds, which is pretty impressive. This is pretty much gonna save you time every morning after you shower. And if you need to go right away and dry up your hair, you'll be able to do that. And I find that my hair is less frisky, much healthier looking as well, versus a traditional hair dryer. Really cool. I used to not use hair dryers before because the traditional hair dryers really is bad for your hair. I find that it gets really frisky and my hair just feels gross after doing that, and then you have to put products. With the Laifen, I don't really need any more products and just dry it. It feels healthier right away as soon as I use it. And as you could see as well, when you are using this, the traditional hair dryer is quite bigger than the Laifen. Laifen is pretty compact even when you're storing it away. Even with the retractable wire and also the folding traditional hair dryer, it's still bigger compared to the Laifen. Also, the Laifen has the attachment on the end, which helps a lot for directional drying of your hair. The traditional one, unfortunately, doesn't have that. I don't have that option. It's just a normal traditional hair dryer. Now, compared to the Dyson, it's pretty much on par with it and it's a lot cheaper. Swift by Laifen is also quieter than the Dyson hair dryer. Another thing is that in the Dyson, the filter cap is latched on the Laifen. It's magnetic, which is a lot simpler and better in my opinion. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new hair dryer just like this one. This one is from Laifen called Swift. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that like button as well so you can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.